In previous videos, we talk about the difference of my lists or dynamic lists, which were the lists where you set up the criteria or the filters, and Vainu will then take care of updating the companies based on which companies actually fulfill the criteria or do not fulfill the criteria. And then custom lists, which are lists that are completely and entirely managed by yourself, so you are the one who adds and who removes companies from those lists. So in this video, we're going to talk more about custom lists and how to actually create and update them. The first way to create new custom lists is by having a spreadsheet that you then import or upload to Vainu. And that is done by clicking on Create a List and choosing the Upload a List option. Now what I see here is just a quick instruction on what kind of a file actually to upload. So preferably you would be using a spreadsheet which contains nothing but a single column, which either contains the business IDs of the companies if we are dealing with the Nordic databases, as I'm doing right here, or if we are in the global domain database, then you would have the domains listed here in this first column. I have a pre-made spreadsheet, so I'll just click on upload. Notice also here that we have the different file types that are supported. I'm going to choose the CSV file that I have pre-made, and then depending on the list size, in a matter of a few moments, you should then see those companies appear on your list like so. So here we have the 7 companies that I had on my spreadsheet. Vainu has now identified them and added them to my new custom list like so. The other way to add companies to custom lists is either by just searching for companies using the search bar like so, and then I could click here on the little list icon to add this company to any of my pre-existing custom lists, or maybe I would even want to create a new custom list that has this company as the first company on that list. There we go. Another way would be to go to one of your pre-existing lists, for example this one here, and then I could select even multiple companies from that list. So here we can see that I've now selected 2 prospects from this list, and I could then add those 2 again to any existing custom list or create a new custom list. Equally, I could just click here to select all of the companies on this list and again move all of them to one of my custom lists. So these are the ways to create new lists and add companies to your custom lists. Now let's briefly touch on how to remove companies, and that's equally simple. You'll just select any of the companies on one of your custom lists, click here to select it, and then choose the remove option from here. And also again, you can just choose even all of the companies on the list and remove them all at the same time. So this is how to add companies to custom lists, remove companies from custom lists, and even create new lists by uploading spreadsheets to Vainu.